Hi, this is Bogdan, the founder of GoCreate. I'm going to introduce you to the demo. GoCreate is the ERP system dedicated to 3D printing, and we help people who print 3D make more money with the stuff that they already have. We do this by implementing easy order scheduling, material stock tracking, better client relations, business intelligence, and others. And we are going to go through some workflows for the factory, from creating the factory account up to processing and completing client orders, communicating with the clients, and so on. For the client of a factory in GoCreate, from visiting the pages, the factory's public page, up to placing orders and seeing the status of the orders. This is the order status flow from received to completed. But we do have an actual demo, so let's see that. I am already logged in as a factory, but first time when you log in as a factory, when you create your account, you have to define the schedule. You have to define the materials that you have, and you can see also the stock of the materials. And you have to define your printers. And when you define a printer, you have to tell people what kind of materials it can use from here. After you do all this, you get a factory page, and this link you can send to your customers. But before you can send it to your customers, they have to have an account, and you create the account from here. So we already have some clients here. Right after creating the account, you can already communicate with them from the application. And they can already access their account. For convenience, I have already created an account, and I have already prepared an order. So we are going to place this order from demo client to demo factory. What the factory does now is that they go to the order and they can schedule it. In order to schedule an order, they have to download the model and they have to put it into the slicer of their choice. Of course, for the printer of their choice. The material is already set. The amount of material, which is checked against the stock, is given by the slicer, and the same happens for the duration. Once I put in the duration, I already get a slot found automatically by the application. You can see here I had a gap, and these 3 hours are filling the gap perfectly. So the printer is going to work all the time. It is possible to mark an order as urgent order, and this will shift the whole production. The factory can see the load of each printer per day, per week, or per month. And they can also get some reports. And we have already made connections to big data systems such as Pago BI. Thank you for watching the GoCreate demo presentation.